Welcome to our channel Market Matters Crypto Finance. If you haven't subscribed till now, press the subscribe button, hit the bell button to stay alert about the recent market update. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust IBIT continues to gain traction in the cryptocurrency market, with recent data revealing a significant influx of $320 million in new investments. IBIT is the fastest growing ETF in the history of ETFs. Nothing has gained assets as fast as IBIT in the history of ETFs, Larry Fink said in a March 27th interview with Fox Business. Fink said the iShares Bitcoin Trust's IBIT performance has even surprised him at how well it has performed over 11 trading weeks. IBIT has a strong start to trading, tallying $13.5 billion in flows in the first 11 weeks, with an $849 million daily high on March 12th. According to Farsight Investors, IBIT averages a little over $260 million in inflows per trading day. We're creating now a market that has more liquidity, more transparency, and I'm pleasantly surprised. I would never have predicted it before we filed it that we were going to see this type of retail demand, Fink said. Asked whether IBIT would do good, but not this good, Fink responded, yes, definitely, I'm very bullish on the long-term viability of Bitcoin, the BlackRock CEO added. IBIT currently holds $17.1 billion in Bitcoin according to BitMEX research, and took only 2 months to reach the $10 billion mark, a milestone that took the first gold ETF 2 years to reach. Of all the currently approved ETFs, IBIT only trails the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust in Bitcoin holdings at $23.6 billion in BTC. Grayscale's Bitcoin holdings have continued to slip, however, down from 620,000 BTC it held before converting to a spot Bitcoin ETF. Meanwhile, some industry pundits predict that some spot Bitcoin ETF issuers could eventually shut down due to a lack of profits. Most of the current ETFs launched will never even break even, as costs will only work if they get to billions of assets under management, which they won't. Hector McNeil, the co-CEO and founder of white label ETF provider HunETF, recently told Cointelegraph. Several ETF issuers have lowered fees to try to be competitive against some of the bigger players, but these smaller issuers face an uphill battle in entering this turf war of giants, according to Bloomberg ETF analyst Henry Jim. Asset management firm Hashdex had its spot Bitcoin ETF approved on March 27th, making it the 11th and latest entrant to a competitive spot Bitcoin ETF market in the United States. Thanks for watching. For more of such market updates, stay tuned to our channel.